Hey, I'm popping up in your feed because I want to highlight I have a newsletter and you want to sign up for it. This is where you will learn from industry leaders. It's the podcast, Leadership in Manufacturing podcast. It's where I interview industry leaders from the distribution channel, from the manufacturing industry, and we talk about how to become a better leader. And you will learn so much because the professional leaders that I have on is sharing so much input, how they have learned, what they have learned, their reflection. It's about how do you know if you're a good leader. It's talking about feedback. We're chatting about and learning about how to fostering a company culture. There's so many levels here. So check it out. Check out leadershipinmanufacturing.com. Sign up for the newsletter. Meantime, stay curious, keep learning. See you next time.